Hello, good evening students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we studied about the Nina's dream. What was there in Nina's dream? She had a dream to fly like birds in the sky. She wanted to fly like butterfly in the sky. She wanted to swim like fish in the water, right? And then she wanted to know what is there on the other side of the sea. That was her dream, and then her dreams were going to come true because of whom? Because of a pilot who had come in their village to train her. Correct? Then after that we completed question answers of that lesson. Today we are going to start with new chapter. The name of our lesson is language study. Now this lesson is totally based on grammar. Okay. Now in grammar what we are going to learn is today's our main topic is action words. Action words means what? The words which tells about the action in the sentence is known as action words. Okay. Now for example, now I am talking. Talk is what? Action which I am doing, right? You are listening. So what is your action? You are listening to me. Okay, you're seeing my video and listening. That is what that is your action which you are doing, right? So there are so many words which are mentioned in English or we use in English language. So we are going to learn some words. There is a chart in your book. You have to take out your page number 41, and there is a chart on page number 41. Can you see here in blue color? Total how many words are there? 15 words are there, and this 15 words are all action words. Now first one is fly. Which is first word? F-L-Y, fly. Fly means what in Marathi? Fly means udne. So flying is what? It is an action done by birds. Correct? Or we say aeroplane flies. Yeah, we can say aeroplane flies in the sky. Or it takes off and flies in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Correct? More what you can write down? Butterflies fly in the sky. More? So fly is what? Action done by birds. Okay? So there are many birds. Then crow is there, sparrows are there, peacock is there. So fly is an action done by birds. Next one is hop. H-O-P, hop. Who hops? Come on, tell. Frog. Correct or not? Frog म्हणजे काय? बेडूक जो असतो तो जी उडी मारतो. Correct? It is called hopping. Okay? Hopping. Third word is run. R-U-N, run. Run means what in Marathi? Run means पळणे. Correct or not? When we run behind each other in the corridors of the school, that is what? That is an action which you do. Correct or not? In short recess or in a long break, where during lunch break, what you do? You eat your food fast and you go on the playground and you run behind each other. Correct? You push each other. Then what is that action? Run. Running is an action which is done by you. So run is what? Action word. Okay. Next one is jump. Now jump. What do you mean by jump? Jump means what? Udi marne. Right? In Marathi we say udi marne. So jumping. Now I am jumping. So this is what? This is an action which is done by me. So the words which tells about the action in the sentence is known as action words. Next one is sit. S-I-T. Sit. Sit means what? Sit means basne. Correct? Where you sit on the chair, you sit on sofa, you sit on bed, you sit on benches, you sit on chairs, you sit on table. Correct or not? That is what an action which is done by you. Okay? Next one, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Clap means what? Clap means, okay, this is what? Clapping. Okay? ING is put to this. Clapping is what? It is an action. But if I will say you clap, then what you have to do? You have to clap only once. Okay? Then this is what which I have done. It is a action which is done by me. Okay? So clap is which word? Clap is action word. Next one is swim. Next one is which word? Swim. S-W-I-M, swim. Swim means what in Marathi? Swim means pohone. Then a person who swims in the water The action which he does is what? Swim. So swim is which word? Swim is action word. After that is draw. D-R-A-W, draw. Draw means what? To draw a picture, correct or not? Drawing which you do on your drawing book, that is what? Draw. Cardney. Okay, so it is an action which is done. So word draw is what? Action. Next one is dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Now I don't have to tell you anything about dance because you all are very much familiar with dance, correct or not? Dance means what? Nachne, correct or not? You already have done dances in annual gatherings, yes or no? Last year we had an annual gathering in our school. So what you did that time? You had done steps, different steps, and you have done what? You have done dance. Dance is what then? Dance is an action word. After that is cry. C-R-Y, cry. Now cry means what? रडणे. मम्मीनी मारलं मला. Yes or no? My mother beat me. My father scolded me. My grandmother is not allowing me to play. That is what you do is what? Tears comes out from your eyes and then you weep. You do like this, you weep. That is called what? That is called crying. And then crying is what? It is an action which is done by you. So word cry is what? Action word. Okay. After that is write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Now I am doing which action? I am doing work of writing. So write is what? Correct or not? I have chalk in my hand and I am writing something on the board. So what it is? Write. Write is an action. So word write is action word. Next one is laugh. You laugh, correct or not? You smile, you laugh. It is also action done by a person. Sing, correct or not? You sing in your spare time, correct or not? What do? You sing songs when you do some work or if you help your mother in the kitchen. At that time you feel to sing. So singing is a what? Singing is an action. Next one is throw. If you have stone in your hand or if you have ball in your hand, you throw it. Then throw is what? It is an action word. And last one is walk. Now walking is very normal action which is done by everyone. Without walking we cannot go from one place to another. So walk is what? Action. In this way we have studied today 15 action words. Okay. You have to write down these all 15 action words in your notebook. Okay. This is your homework for today and remaining part of this lesson. And there is one definition given, words that express an action. You can see here. Words that express an action are called action words. So first what you have to do, you have to write down name of a lesson on new page. After that you have to make a box. In that box you have to write down all these 15 words and below that what you do? You write down this definition and learn this definition. He definition part karaychi hai. Words that express an action are called action words. You have to learn this definition. Only this much work you do for today. And then remaining part of the lesson we will study next week on Thursday. Okay. I think you have understood what are action words. Even if you have not understood, I am going to explain you this again in detail in next week's Thursday's period. Okay. Thank you. Please complete your homework.